Well, even endeavors with very few people can and should specialize their sales team. For example, the first person you hire should be a person who can close deals. The second person should be a salesperson who is dedicated to generating leads for the first. Implement Cold Calling 2.0. We touched on the method that is vital for sales development representatives, Cold Calling 2.0. So what is it? Think of it simply as prospecting for new customers. Cold Calling 2.0 begins with the creation of an ideal customer profile. Think about it. Contacting the wrong people is just a waste of time. It's your ideal customer who has a higher chance of buying your product and bringing you lots of revenue. Ask yourself, which industries need your products? Who is already using similar products or looking to invest in new products like yours? Next, consider how you might build a database with these kinds of prospects. Sometimes your company might already have an established list, sometimes you can buy one. Check these options before building your list from scratch. Once you have this list, you're ready to go. But you needn't start with cold calls straight away. Instead, open with emails. You can use phone calls to follow up with prospects who respond to your emails. The best way to use email is by sending mass messages to the prospects in your database, ensuring they look like single emails from one salesperson. Don't send too many emails every day, but send fewer emails on a regular basis. If you generate more than 5 to 10 responses per day, it will be hard to handle them. Once you acquire leads, you'll need to pass them on to account executives. It's vital to recognize that the passing over of leads is just as important as their generation. So you'll need a system to ensure that this process works smoothly between departments without losing any leads. Of course, you should also ensure that the relationship is a fair and respectful one. Use best practices to strengthen your sales approach. The techniques we've learned about in these blinks will put your company well on its way to becoming a sales leader. However, your sales approach won't be complete without crucial best practices to provide a solid foundation for your methods. And the best place to start is with the attitude your teams have towards sales themselves. Many sales teams place the most importance on closing deals, but they're wrong. In fact, salespeople often feel so pressured to close deals that their performance is compromised. By thinking only of closing, they'll often fail to develop a positive relationship with your prospects. Instead, your team should think beyond closing. How? By building a simple success plan for your clients. A success plan paints a picture of the gains the client can achieve with the help of your company. Try writing down exactly how your products or services will make your client's life better once they use them. Clients are more likely to become loyal customers if they know you care about their businesses, so communicate this vision to them. Another best practice is the 3-hour and 15-minute sales process. It's a simple 3-step approach that goes like this. In the first 15 minutes, a salesperson should make light conversation with the prospect to find out if it will pay off to talk further. This will become clear if you talk about their expectations right away. The next stage is the first hour, a qualification/discovery call. In this conversation, you talk to those responsible for new deals. Both sides need to find out if there is a fit. If so, you both plan a group working session that brings in all the key people and decision makers. The group working session covers the final 2 hours, and that's where you develop a collaborative vision together. At this stage, you should describe clearly how your products will help the clients to become successful. In this way, you'll be able to both increase your revenue and make it something your company can always count on. The book's key takeaway is that today's world requires a new approach to sales. Salespeople must truly understand lead generation, from the different types of leads to the most effective approaches for generating them. With a specialized team that ensures every step of a sale is performed to a high caliber, and an organization that is committed to best practices, you can expect powerful and reliable revenue. Here's one piece of actionable advice from the book that you can use in your own life. Cultivate positive energy. To maintain positive energy in your sales team, allow them a short break every 90 minutes and ensure that they take a full lunch break with coworkers. Increasing your employees' workload may yield results in the short term, but will only destroy their enthusiasm in the long term. To avoid burnout or high turnover, make their positive energy your priority.